Welcome to this video on exchanges. Today, we're going to explore a critical topic that every cryptocurrency holder needs to understand: the fundamental differences between storing your crypto on an exchange versus in your own wallet. This is all about custody, meaning who actually controls your digital assets. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why storing crypto long-term on exchanges is risky and what you should do instead to protect your investments. Let's start with exchange wallets. When you buy cryptocurrency on a platform like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken, your crypto goes into what's called a custodial wallet. The key word here is custodial. This means the exchange is the custodian; they're holding your crypto for you. More specifically, they hold and manage your private keys on your behalf. Private keys are like the password to your crypto. Whoever has them controls the funds. So when your crypto sits on an exchange, the exchange controls it, not you. Now let's talk about the alternative: self-custody wallets. These are also called non-custodial wallets. With a self-custody wallet, you hold and control your own private keys. Nobody else has access to them: no company, no third party, just you. This means you have complete control over your cryptocurrency. Examples include hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor, or software wallets like MetaMask and Trust Wallet. The defining characteristic is simple: you control your crypto because you control your private keys. Here's the fundamental difference between these two options, and it all comes down to one thing: who holds the private keys. With an exchange wallet, the exchange holds your private keys. You're essentially trusting them to keep your crypto safe and give it back when you ask for it. With a self-custody wallet, you hold your private keys. You don't need to trust anyone else because you have direct control. This distinction is absolutely critical to understanding cryptocurrency security and ownership. Now let's discuss why storing crypto on exchanges long-term is risky. The first major issue is that exchanges are high-value targets for hackers. Think about it. Exchanges store millions, sometimes billions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency for thousands or millions of users, all in one place. This creates a single point of failure. If hackers successfully breach an exchange's security, they can potentially steal massive amounts of crypto from countless users all at once. It's like keeping all your valuables in one big vault that everyone knows about. The second major risk is called counterparty risk. When your crypto is on an exchange, you must trust that exchange to operate honestly and securely. But here's the problem: you have no control over their business decisions or security practices. The exchange might make poor choices you disagree with, they might not invest enough in security, or their management might be incompetent. You're completely dependent on them doing the right thing, and unfortunately, that doesn't always happen. History has shown us repeatedly that exchange hacks are real and devastating. Mt. Gox lost $450 million in Bitcoin back in 2014. Coincheck was hacked for over $500 million. Bitfinex lost 120,000 Bitcoin. And more recently, FTX collapsed in 2022, leaving billions of dollars in customer funds missing. These aren't just theoretical risks. They're documented disasters where real people lost real money because they trusted exchanges with their crypto long-term. Beyond hacks, exchanges can also restrict your access to your own crypto. They can freeze your account without warning, impose withdrawal limits during times of high volatility, or demand additional KYC verification, which stands for Know Your Customer, before letting you access your funds. They might do this for regulatory reasons, for suspected suspicious activity, or simply because of technical issues. The point is, when your crypto is on an exchange, they have the power to prevent you from accessing it whenever they want. Finally, exchanges can simply fail as businesses. They can go bankrupt, they can become insolvent, or they can be shut down by regulators. When this happens, users often lose access to their funds, sometimes permanently. The FTX collapse is a perfect example. Customers had billions of dollars on the platform, and when it went bankrupt, most people couldn't withdraw their crypto. Some are still waiting to recover their funds through the bankruptcy process years later. This is the ultimate risk of trusting a centralized platform with your cryptocurrency. So what should you actually do? Here's the best practice approach. Use exchanges for trading and short-term holdings only. If you're actively buying and selling crypto, or if you need to keep some funds readily available for quick trades, then keeping a small amount on an exchange makes sense. But for everything else, especially your long-term investments, use self-custody wallets. Move your crypto off the exchange to a wallet where you control the private keys. This protects you from all the risks we just discussed. There's a famous saying in the cryptocurrency world that perfectly captures this lesson: not your keys, not your coins. This phrase means that if you don't control the private keys to your cryptocurrency, you don't truly own it. Someone else does. It's a reminder that true ownership in the crypto world comes from holding your own keys. This is the golden rule of cryptocurrency security, and it's something every crypto holder should understand and follow. Let's recap the key points. First, exchanges hold your private keys, which means they control your crypto, not you. Second, this creates significant risks including hacks, platform failures, and loss of access to your funds. Third, use exchanges only for trading and short-term needs. And fourth, move your crypto to self-custody wallets for long-term storage where you control the keys. Following these principles will significantly improve the security of your cryptocurrency holdings. Thanks for watching, and remember, not your keys, not your coins.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.